The Visdector CR20 Pro is an indispensable tool for diagnosing engine issues, allowing users to perform comprehensive OBDII tests to determine the cause of check engine lights. This scanner provides the ability to switch off the check engine light by identifying emission-related fault codes, saving users money on minor repairs. With its capability to graph real-time data from various sensors, the CR20 Pro offers an accurate diagnosis that is typically not available in other devices at this price range. The enhanced diagnostics feature of this product allows for in-depth tests such as O2 sensor and EVAP leakage tests, making it stand out among budget code readers. The CR20 Pro supports a wide range of vehicles and protocols, ensuring compatibility with most cars manufactured after 1996. User-friendly features like a large LCD display and one-click hotkeys make this scanner easy to operate, even for those with little technical expertise.